Hi, folks. I want to just show you one way that you can find find sources for getting associates signed up in WorldProfit. Now, you would have to be a WorldProfit dealer, so a Silver or Platinum VIP member to use this. But I just want to give a little demo here for those who aren't quite sure how to use this. What you're going to do is go into Add Examples, all right? And when you go into Add Examples, it's going to give you these headers here. You click on the New Associate Sources. Now, that's going to give you a ton of different things. You're not going to be able to pick through that one by one. So what I want to show you, though, is you come down here to the bottom and click the CSV, export the CSV. Now, what that's going to do, it's going to put that into your downloads folder. Okay, associate sources. Now, I'm going to come up here to my email and go over here to my this little grid. You pull that down and bring up sheets. Okay. Now, open a new sheet and then do File, Import, and then Upload. Associate sources. Now mine has a 3 after it because I've done this several times. So here I just want to replace the spreadsheet and detect it automatically. And it's going to bring that whole file into here. Now, you could really get tied up doing that, but what I really want to show you here is, these are the sources. All I'm interested in right now is the landing page ID. I want to find out how the most popular landing page IDs that are actually bringing in associates. So I'm going to use a pivot table to do that, and that's real easy to do. You do insert a pivot table, okay, and create it in a new sheet in the same workbook. Now, I'm going to do a count of the URL refer. Nope, I want a count of the URL refer for each landing page, or a count of the URL refer for the join date, for each join date. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. So I'm just going to go over here and select the landing page ID. All right, and then for the next thing I need to do is I'm not going to add a column. I'm going to add values. And then I'm going to count that. So make that a calculated field and count rather than sum. Oh, can I do that here? I was doing it wrong. So I'm adding a landing page ID. So I'm just adding the same landing page ID, and down here I have to put summarized by count. Okay. Now what that does, it gives me the landing page ID and the count of landing page ID. All right, so that's a pretty extensive list. I'm going to pick I'm going to see if I can percent row. I'm going to grab the whole table here. So I'm going to grab this all the way down the bottom. So there's 5,000 rows. And I'm going to bring that over here and just paste it as plain text. Oops. copy it. Now come over here, just pick a point, paste special, values only. There we go. Now, and I'm going to put my headers above here just to, oops. All right, so now I'm going to come in here and just highlight those, and then I'm going to create, let me get my picture out of here. All right, I'm going to come up here and make this so I can sort it, and I want to sort this from highest to lowest. Now, what that does is it gives me a listing that shows me the number of times that that particular page was used from the highest to the lowest. All right, and I'm only interested in probably the top 10. So I'm just going to copy those and bring them over here just to have them on the side. Now, where do I find out what this means? Well, I'm going to come over here. One is the easiest one, but I'm going to come over here to that same page. Go to the top, and you see this landing page's codes. All right, that brings them all up. Now, all you have to do is do a Control F for find, and that number, and here it is. Here's that page number. So if you want the second most popular landing page, you got this, you copy this link to your clipboard, or you can just click it, and that's where it brings you. So if you want to know the most popular pages to use to promote to get new associates, that's how you do it. Thanks. This is Rich Moore.